Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here with your Week 13 agenda for online science fiction. I have a couple things I want to talk about. First off, Week 13 is very short. It really contains only the 23rd and the 24th before we go on Thanksgiving break. So our agenda for this week is short as far as activities, but I do have a lot of announcements to make. First off, we now have buttons at the top of our Schoology page. As you can see, you can access the online attendance update for 2020 in the orange button. All you have to do is click on it. Along with my office hours, which are on Wednesday from 10:30 to 11:30. It is a Zoom. You are not required to come, but you are more than welcome to come. MCSD streaming notice is in the purple button, along with our Barron News in the maroon. Red phase schedule more pertains to students who are not completely online. Maybe they are doing an online class and some hybrid classes or some in-person classes and some online classes, but that would apply to them if they should ever need to know if we go into red phase. Along with this periwinkleish bluish button, this is our weekly agenda. This is where this video is going to be, along with in our regular folders. So a couple other things that we have to talk about. One is that we have our week 13 folder down here at the bottom, containing all of our materials for this week. As you can see, there is going to be 3 folders that contain all of our materials for week 13. Let's start off with the fact that we are going to be starting a novel after Thanksgiving break called Brave New World. With that in mind, if you would like a paper copy of the novel, you are more than welcome to come in and pick up a paper copy. But regardless of whether you want a paper copy or not, you must complete this Google form, which looks like this. You will need to fill out for me your email and your full name, along with whether you would like a paper copy or not. You can come into the office and pick up a paper copy at a specific date and time, or you can say, no, I would like to use the electronic link for the novel that is provided on Schoology. So on Schoology, there's an electronic link to the novel Brave New World by Aldous Huxley, and you can click on the different chapters here at the top, and it'll take you to the exact chapter, and then it has it all in PDF form. So if you are somebody that likes to do everything electronically, we'll still be using Edpuzzle. It will read it to you, but if you are somebody that likes to see the text, you can open it in another tab and be able to page through the text in this form. You could print it at home if you prefer, or you can come in and pick up a paper copy by filling out the Google form and selecting a date. So regardless of whether you want a paper copy or not, you must complete the Google form to let me know. But if you would like a paper copy, these are your dates and times to choose. Tuesday, December 1st, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., Wednesday, December 2nd, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., Thursday, December 3rd, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., and Friday, December 4th, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Man, I messed these up. I'll go fix that then. Alright, anyhow, more importantly, if we look back here, your assignments for this week are to complete dystopian notes for this upcoming novel. We go over the different parts of a dystopia and how they function and things that you are going to need specifically for the novel, such as vocabulary, context, background. So you must complete all 3 sets of the notes, and I highly recommend taking a personal set of notes, whether that be on a Google Doc or on paper, so that way as we go through and read and answer questions and take a test on the novel, you'll be able to answer all those things with ease. We also have creative writing for this week. Along with Let's Look Ahead, we have a project that is coming up after Thanksgiving break. So this is just a look ahead at week 14. There is nothing due in this green folder. It is just informing you as far as the project rubric and the project directions. There are 2 options for your project. There will be video links going over the 2 different rubrics and the directions, as well as along with examples in this green folder. So if you should have any questions about what's coming in week 14, please feel free to email me. I will gladly answer any questions that you have, or if you have any special requests. Alrighty guys. So our objectives for this week, for week 13, we are going to continue on discussing horror and literary elements such as literary lenses and foreshadowing. However, we are going to start transitioning into dystopian literature. So that means that we are understanding new topics and concepts and gathering information. As far as what students will be able to know, it's going to be covering dystopian societies and their different specifications. Along with, students will be able to identify literary lens focuses within pieces of literature. They will also be able to identify different types of dystopias within pieces of literature that we will be studying. As far as essential questions, what makes a dystopia? How does a dystopia function, and why do the characters partake in the dystopia? And how do literary lenses play a part in the formation of a dystopia? Alrighty, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.